Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're ready to discover the ultimate skincare secrets that will transform your routine, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a countdown of the top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices. We all want that youthful glow, right? But what if you could get the results you dream of without having to step foot in a salon? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the most effective, cutting-edge devices that are revolutionizing anti-aging skincare. From lifting and firming to smoothing those stubborn fine lines, these devices deliver professional-level results right at home. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and get ready to meet the devices that are going to take your skincare routine to a whole new level. Let's get into the countdown, because beautiful, ageless skin is just one device away. Coming in at number 5 in our top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices countdown, the TriPollar Stop VX2 is revolutionizing at-home facial treatments with its advanced technology. What if you could stimulate collagen production and achieve smoother, youthful skin without leaving your home? With TriPollar's new multi-RF plus DMA technology, that's exactly what you can do. This innovative device uses triple-wave multi-RF technology, delivering interchanging radiofrequency waves that target the deeper layers of your skin. These waves work to heat up collagen and elastin fibers, promoting their renewal and tightening your skin for visible anti-aging results. But that's not all. TriPollar Stop VX2 takes things a step further with its second-generation thermal mapping. This ensures the device delivers the most accurate temperature for your skin type, optimizing the treatment for personalized results every time. Plus, the third generation features real-time adjustments to make sure your experience is not only effective, but also comfortable. In just a few treatments, you'll start to notice a smoother, firmer complexion with reduced fine lines and wrinkles. And with its efficiency, the Stop VX2 is the fastest tripolar device on the market, making it the ultimate choice for those looking to refresh their skin at home. Looking for superior, long-lasting anti-aging effects? The TriPollar Stop VX2 is an essential addition to your skincare routine. Want to keep up with all the latest in anti-aging technology? Don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips, reviews, and expert advice on products like these. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. At number 4, in our top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices countdown, we have the LightStim for Wrinkles, a device that's been gaining serious attention for its ability to target fine lines, wrinkles, and give you that radiant, youthful glow. What if you could reduce the appearance of wrinkles and bring back your skin's natural radiance, all without invasive treatments or harsh chemicals? That's exactly what LightStim for Wrinkles offers with its powerful LED light therapy. This device uses specific wavelengths of light to penetrate deep into the skin, stimulating collagen and elastin production. The result? A smoother, plumper, and more youthful-looking complexion. This isn't just any skincare device. LightStim is scientifically backed to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while boosting skin texture. In just a few minutes a day, it works to smooth out the skin and give you that glowing, plump look we all desire. Whether you're dealing with crow's feet, laugh lines, or sagging, this device helps target and reduce those visible signs of aging. What sets LightStim apart is its versatility. Suitable for all skin types, this easy-to-use handheld device can be used at home, offering professional-level results in the comfort of your own space. Plus, it's non-invasive and completely safe for daily use. The LightStim for Wrinkles is your go-to solution for smoother, younger-looking skin without the hassle or expense of pricey salon treatments. If you want to achieve noticeable, long-lasting results with a few minutes of use each day, this is definitely a must-have addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert reviews, tips, and the latest in skincare technology. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming next. At number 3 in our top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices countdown, we have the FOREO Bare Microcurrent Facial Device, a non-invasive solution that's taking the skincare world by storm. If you're looking for an instant facelift, tighter skin, and a more sculpted appearance, this device has you covered. What if you could achieve firmer, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin, all from the comfort of your home. The FOREO Bear uses microcurrent technology to lift and contour your face, targeting those stubborn areas that are starting to sag. It's a painless, quick process that leaves your skin looking rejuvenated without any downtime. This powerful tool stimulates your facial muscles, helping to tone and tighten your skin. It's like giving your face a workout, activating the collagen and elastin production that we lose as we age. With just a few minutes of use, you'll start to see a noticeable difference. Smoother skin, better contouring, and a more lifted appearance. But it's not just about the lift. The FOREO Bear also increases the absorption of your favorite skincare products, helping them penetrate deeper into your skin. So not only will you get immediate visible results, but your anti-aging products will work more effectively too. What makes the FOREO Bear stand out is its user-friendly design and innovative technology. The device is compact and easy to use, making it perfect for anyone, whether you're new to skincare gadgets or a seasoned pro. Plus, the adjustable intensity levels allow you to customize your treatment based on your needs and comfort level. This game-changing device is ideal for those looking for a natural, non-invasive way to combat fine lines, wrinkles, and skin sagging. It's perfect for quick, on-the-go treatments that fit easily into your daily routine. If you want to unlock the secret to firmer, more youthful skin without spending hours at a salon, the FOREO Bear should definitely be at the top of your list. Subscribe to Beautyistic if you found this review helpful. You'll want to stay tuned for what's coming next. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices? Well, don't let your skin miss out. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your beauty routine glowing. At number 2 in our top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices countdown, we have the Dr. Dennis Gross DRX SpectraLite FaceWare Pro. This innovative LED face mask is your secret weapon for smoother skin, reduced wrinkles, and a clearer complexion, whether you're tackling fine lines or stubborn acne. What if you could erase the signs of aging and clear up acne with just one device? The FaceWare Pro combines the power of red and blue light therapy to target both anti-aging and acne concerns simultaneously. Imagine smoothing out fine lines while fighting acne flare-ups, all in the comfort of your own home. With 100 red LED lights and 62 blue LED lights, this mask is designed to help you achieve smoother, more even skin. The red light stimulates collagen production, reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture, while the blue light targets acne-causing bacteria to prevent breakouts and reduce inflammation. And if you're dealing with both concerns, the combination of red and blue light works synergistically for a complete treatment. This device doesn't just target specific issues, it improves overall skin health. It firms the skin, reduces discoloration, and evens out your complexion. In just 3 minutes a day, you can achieve noticeable results without any harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. The convenience of home treatment is a game changer, saving you time and money compared to salon visits. It's simple to use. After cleansing your face, simply secure the mask with the adjustable strap, choose your light setting, and let the device work its magic for the programmed 3-minute treatment. It's quick, effective, and requires no additional steps to see results. So, whether you're concerned about aging or acne or both, the Dr. Dennis Gross DRX SpectraLite FaceWare Pro offers an all-in-one solution. If you're looking for that youthful glow, this is the device to add to your skincare routine. Subscribe to Beautyistic if you found this review helpful. More expert tips are on the way. Claiming the top spot in our top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices countdown, the NuFACE Trinity Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit is a game changer for anyone looking to lift, tone, and contour their face and neck with professional-level results at home. Imagine being able to sculpt and tighten your skin in just minutes a day. What if you could reduce sagging, lift your brows, and smooth out fine lines, all without leaving the comfort of your home? With the NuFACE Trinity Plus, this is no longer a dream, it's a reality. The secret? Microcurrent technology. This clinically proven treatment uses low-level electrical currents to stimulate facial muscles, providing a gentle yet effective way to tone and firm your skin. Whether it's sagging around the neck, a drooping jawline, or stubborn forehead wrinkles, the Trinity Plus works to target all those problem areas with precision. In just 5 minutes a day, you can see noticeable improvements. 95% of users report visible lifting around the neck area, 90% see a firmer jawline, and 93% notice a reduction in deep forehead lines. The results are instant and build over time, leaving you with more youthful, contoured skin. The Trinity Plus kit comes with everything you need to get started: the device, a microcurrent gel activator, and silk creme for added anti-aging benefits. The aqua gel locks in moisture for up to 24 hours, while the silk creme hydrates and firms the skin, giving you even more hydration and protection with every treatment. What's even better? The NuFACE Smart app. It's like having a personal esthetician right in your pocket, guiding you through step-by-step treatments and tracking your progress. Plus, you can unlock exclusive content and personalized routines to take your skincare game to the next level. Don't let the idea of achieving a lifted, youthful look stay a fantasy. Make it your reality with the NuFACE Trinity Plus. It's portable, effective, and FDA cleared for safety, ensuring that you can achieve your best skin with confidence. If you love this review, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert skincare tips and tricks, because glowing skin is always in. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best anti-aging skincare devices. To stay in the loop with all the top sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.